Hello, hello! Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy you are here today.
Today is a very special episode. It is episode 18. And Charlotte, where are we going today?
We are going on a trip. Today, we are at the airport.
The airport! I love traveling. But airports can be scary, right?
Yes, a little bit. There are many people, big signs, and everyone speaks English very fast.
Exactly. But do not worry. We are here to help. Today we will learn the 5 most important phrases to survive at the airport.
Yes, survival phrases. These are phrases you need to fly. We will speak slowly and we will practice together.
By the end of this episode, you will feel ready for your next flight. Are you ready, Charlotte?
I am ready, Leo. Let us unlock our English.
Okay, imagine you arrive at the airport. You walk inside. What is the first thing you need?
You need your documents. The first phrase is, passport, please.
Good. Let us look at that word, passport.
Passport.
A passport is your international ID. It's a little book with your photo.
Listen to the pronunciation. P-A-S-S-P-O-R-T. Passport. Can you repeat that? Great. Now, usually an agent asks you, "Can I see your passport, please?"
And you say, here is my passport.
Simple. Here is my passport.
But you need one more paper, the ticket to get on the plane. What is that called, Charlotte?
That is the boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
This is the paper with your seat number. So let's practice the full phrase. Repeat after me. Here is my boarding pass.
Excellent. Remember, keep your passport and boarding pass in your hand.
Okay, Leo. We have our passport, but we have big bags, big suitcases. We need to give them to the airline. Where do we go?
Good question. We go to the check-in counter.
Oh, that is a long phrase. Let's break it down. Check-in counter.
To check in means to register. You say, hello, I'm here. The counter is the desk where the person stands.
Exactly. So, imagine you are lost. You have big bags. You need to ask for help. You can say, "Where is the check-in counter?"
Listen again. Where is the check-in counter?
Now, you try. Ask me where it is. Very good. And Leo, what happens at the check-in counter?
They take your big bag. That bag is called luggage. But for now, just remember check-in counter. Okay, our bags are gone. Now comes the part everyone hates.
Oh no. The long line?
Yes, the security check.
Okay, listeners, this is word number 3. Security check.
Security check.
At the security check, they look for dangerous things. You must take off your shoes. You must take out your laptop.
It can be stressful. The officers speak loud. Shoes off, belt off.
Do not panic. Just listen. They might ask, "Do you have any liquids?"
Liquids means water, shampoo, or juice.
Let's practice a simple sentence for this area. Imagine you are asking a friend, "Is this the security check?"
Repeat that. Is this the security check?
Perfect. Remember, at the security check, just be calm and slow. It's okay to be slow.
We passed security. We are safe. We have our shoes on again. Now we need to find our airplane.
To find the airplane, we need to find the gate.
Word number 4 is very short. Gate.
G-A-T-E. Gate.
The gate is the door. It is the door to the airplane.
Your boarding pass has a number. Maybe it says Gate A5 or Gate 20.
So you need to look at the screens, or you can ask someone. This is a very useful phrase.
Leo, how do I ask that?
You say, "Where is gate 5?"
Let's try that. I will change the number. Where is Gate 10?
Listeners, please repeat. Where is gate 10?
Good job. Sometimes the gate changes, so it's good to ask.
Yes. Excuse me, where is gate 10? Is a perfect sentence. It's polite and clear.
Okay, Leo, we flew. We are in the air. We eat a small sandwich, and now the plane lands.
We are in a new country. But before we go to the hotel, we must talk to the police officer.
This is immigration or customs.
The officer will look at you and ask you a question. This is our phrase number 5. It's an answer.
The officer usually asks, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
Purpose means why. Why are you here?
If you are on vacation, you say, "I'm here for tourism."
Let us practice that word, tourism.
Tourism.
So the full sentence is, I am here for tourism.
Or simply, for vacation.
Let us practice the full phrase. Repeat after me. I am here for tourism.
And sometimes they ask, "How long will you stay?"
You can answer 2 weeks or 5 days. Keep it short.
Exactly. Short is good. You don't need long stories, just tourism and 2 weeks.
Wow, we did it! We survived the airport!
That was a journey. Let's do a quick review, a rapid round. I say the definition, you say the word.
Okay, I'm ready. Listeners, you help me too.
Okay. Number 1, the document with your photo.
Passport.
Number 2, the place where you give your big bags.
Check-in counter.
Number 3, the place where you take off your shoes.
Security check.
Number 4, the door to the airplane.
The gate.
And number 5, the answer to, "Why are you here?"
I am here for tourism.
Amazing. You guys are ready to fly.
See? English at the airport is not so scary. It's just a few words.
Leo, do you have a motivational quote for us today?
I do. This is for everyone who's nervous about speaking English or traveling. The quote is, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step."
That is beautiful. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
Learning English is a journey. Today, you took a big step.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Don't forget to practice these words in the mirror.
Yes, have a safe flight, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.